So here is my desk setup, and I've got my Sony camera here with the dummy battery in here. You can see they make a little slot for a cord, so you can use a dummy battery. And then I just have it running down, and then under the desk I've got the cord tucked away, plugged into a power strip. And you can see I actually got 2 of these for my other camera, so I can leave the cameras plugged in and turned on all the time. Quite nice. This is a dummy battery for my Sony camera. It doesn't look like it from the case, but let's open it up and have a look. So here is the dummy battery part. You just plug it into the power right there. And here is the power cord. Not too big, which is nice. Plenty long cord so you can move it around wherever you need. And then this is the other part of the power cord. So let's go ahead and hook it up. So I've been using these dummy batteries for several years, literally never had a problem with it. It always works. Really nice way to have power in your camera at all times.